Hello and welcome to the first edition of India's Environment Today. Let's get started. City risk analysis shows 43 of the world's 100 most environmentally vulnerable cities are in India. Globally, 414 cities are at high risk. Approximately 1.5 billion people living in 414 cities that are at high risk from pollution, water shortages, extreme heat, natural hazards, and physical impacts of climate change. Of the top 100 most vulnerable cities, 99 are in Asia and 43 in India. The Indian Navy mounted a massive air and sea rescue mission on Tuesday for 79 oil workers and crew whose barge sank in heavy seas following a powerful cyclone, Taukte, that tore up the west coast, killing at least 29 people. Deputy Chief of Naval Staff Muralidhar Sadashiv Pawar said that this is one of the most challenging search and rescue operations he has witnessed in the last 4 decades. Many civil society groups and environmental organizations across the country have appealed to the centre to stop the ambitious Central Vista redevelopment project, at least till the pandemic is over. The statement stated that COVID-19 outbreak has shown that human health and environment are correlated. It also points out at working towards socially just and ecologically sustainable alternative pathways to well-being. GeoCycle, the global waste management arm of LafargeHolcim that manufactures building materials, will implement the innovative bubble curtain technology for the first time in India to stop plastic from entering the Yamuna River. A bubble curtain is a non-invasive solution to stop plastic from entering the oceans. Ships and fish can pass through the air bubble, but plastics will be stopped. Startup EV based in Odisha offers electric scooters with a range of over 70 kilometers with every charge and costs just 18 paisa per kilometer. Their batteries can be charged anywhere using sockets fit for laptops and phones. The company, which has a presence in over 50 cities, grew at a 300% rate from 2019 and hopes to clock 25 to 35 crores in 2021. EV vehicles claims to reduce 1.9 metric tons of CO2 emissions in 3 years. That was all for this edition of India's Environment Today. All the news sources can be found in the caption. And please like, save, share and follow to indicate your interest in news updates around the subjects of climate change and environment in India. Thank you for watching.